Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Stephanie and today I have a pack with me style video for you. I'm going over to South Carolina for a few days and then over to Chicago for a few weeks to visit some family, and I have to fit all of this stuff in my personal item. So there'll be a lot of transferring from my full size to my little mini jars. If you're interested in seeing how I get all this done, then just keep on watching. Alright, so this is where I store everything. I'm thinking I'll put skincare here since it does have like this waterproof plastic, and makeup over here, skincare and hair care here, and makeup over here, and then like miscellaneous stuff here, maybe like hair ties and whatnot. I actually got this from Walmart maybe last year. I love this bag. It's a Sophia Joy bag, and I think it's a perfect size. I love that the compartments are clear and you're able to see everything. Okay, so this is where I keep all of my skincare minis, some full-size stuff that I just fill up little containers for. And let's just dump this out here, and I can just grab what I need from it. This is my face wash, my sunscreen already packed up. This is my body sunscreen, a little Max Fix Plus, definitely need that, and a new toothbrush. Okay, toothpaste. What else? Okay, so for the face wash, I'm thinking I'm going to put it in one of these, so I'll put that aside there. Have my lotion over here. I usually use my Cetaphil moisturizing cream, so I'm gonna have to transfer this into a smaller tub. I'm thinking this one here, so I'll do that. What else am I missing? Oh, and I have these little trial sizes of the CeraVe PM. I'm gonna go ahead and give those a shot. Use those at night. Have a few of those, and some chapstick. Perfect. Okay, so I don't need any of this other stuff. Actually, this is also a night cream. I should just use these up. I'm gonna throw those in there as well. Ooh, my serum as well as some body lotion. Okay, we're gonna need to put this in a smaller tub too. I have these guys here. I could just fill up one of these. Okie dokie, so we got all that. Oh, we're gonna need to put this in here. So I don't have any of those little spatulas. Wish I did, or else I'd just scoop it out. Maybe if we just like kind of scoop it like this. That's weird. Let's see. Okay, it's kind of working. All right, so this is all my hair care stuff. I have my full-size products in here that I'm gonna transfer over into these little guys. All right, I think I'm gonna go ahead and take my little shine spray, my mousse hairspray. I haven't used this in so long, this brand, but we'll give it a shot. Do I want to bring this one as well? No, I think it's going to be too big, so I'm going to have to leave this one behind, even though I love this spray. I don't know if you guys have tried it, but it does give your hair a nice shine, and it does help with frizz. All right, what else? I'm going to take this body wash, use that up, and my mini floss, a couple of hair ties. Yes. Anything else? I think I'm going to take this makeup wipe, a couple of makeup wipes just in case. And, ooh, this hair mask. No, I think I'm going to leave this hair mask behind and just use this one because I haven't tried this one and I want to go ahead and start trying it while I am on vacation. So I think that's it from this container. Let's go ahead and transfer these over. I have my Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner. Let's kind of do that scooping method here. So you probably want to do this over a sink. It's a little bit messy, but it's okay. We're gonna rinse it off when we're done here. Could probably use one of those spatulas. You know, maybe next time. Okay, I'm back. I filled that one up. Put that one over here. A little bit of a dilemma here. Where am I going to fit these guys in this? Which one should I put it in? I think I'm going to go ahead and put this shampoo in this bigger container. Just because I do tend to use a little bit more shampoo and conditioner. And I will have 2 conditioners to choose from. So that won't be too bad. All right, there. I have my conditioner here. I do have these little labels. I might as well put them on here. Okay, so let's fill this up now. Let's go ahead and start with the skincare stuff. Let's see. We have face wash. We have sunscreen. My serum. All right, we have body sunscreen. What is this? Body lotion. We have my day cream. Maybe we should put this over here. And I have these 2 little mini perfumes. This is the Versace Dylan Blue, and this is the Flower Bomb. Perfect. Put those in there. My little makeup wipes in here as well. I have 2 night creams. My chapstick, setting spray, toothbrush I'm also going to throw over here. Okay, and then hair stuff. I think I only need 1 of these, so I will just take this one. Hairspray, body wash. We have our shampoo, hair gel, conditioner. Which one is this one? Oh God, I didn't label this one. I think this one is regular conditioner. Or is that this one? No. Oh, this is a deep conditioner. Hello. Okay. My Briogeo blow dry cream. My shine mist. Some extra little oil from Chi. Oh, my gloss. Gotta put that over here. Throw in a couple of hair ties over here as well. A couple of these little clips over here on this side. You never know when you're just gonna need a clip up your hair. You got frizzy, crazy hair like me. You need a lot of these little guys. All right. Let's see, did I stuff it too much? I try to get it as flat as possible. All right, and now for the makeup. Let's go grab that. Okay, I went ahead and grabbed some makeup. Just dump this out here. I have my Modern Renaissance eyeshadow palette. Throw that in there first. Okay, for foundation, I'm going to go ahead and take my Revlon Skin Caring Foundation. Love this stuff. For concealer, I'm actually going to take 2. One that's more dewy and one that's more matte, higher coverage. So the e.l.f. Hydrating Camel Concealer and the LA Girl Pro Conceal. All right, I'm also testing out this Makeup Revolution Line Fix Under Eye Primer. I like it a lot, so I'm going to go ahead and put this one in there as well. Even though you don't really need it with those 2 concealers, but what the heck. My Dusty Crusty Essence Banana Powder. My Cali Ray Highlight. All right, and I am going to bring a blush palette because I just can't choose one color. I need several options of blush. I don't know about you guys, but what else? Yes, my mascara. Oh, cream bronzer, cream blush and highlight, the Charlotte Tilbury Duo. So pretty. I'm going to bring my Charlotte Tilbury lipstick as well. This just goes with any look, so throw that one in here as well. My L'Oreal Paris, what is this called? Well, my L'Oreal Paris lip gloss gives like a stain to the lips with a glossy finish, like this one a lot. My lip liner in Puffy Nude, and my Makeup by Mario in Soft Nude. Love this combo. If I haven't said it enough on my channel. I know I always overdo it with the lips. I have like 100 lip products as if I wear that many, but you never know. And this is the Tarte Marcuja Juicy Lip in the shade Strawberry. Love this. All right, my brow pencil, brow gel. Oh, this little bronzer. How cute is that? Have to bring that. Okay, we have scissors. Let's see what is over here, and tweezers. And makeup sponge. Perfect. That needs to be washed. And there you have it. That is everything. I'm going to go ahead and have to double check, make sure I'm not forgetting everything, but it's perfect. Just closes right on up. And we're ready to go. All right. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and I will see you soon with the next one. Bye, guys.